I'm Daisy from Hikvision. Right now, I'm standing at the perimeter of a huge industrial park. Recent upgrades in security demand and technology change the way perimeters are protected, quickly making the conventional method outdated. First, it's difficult for one camera to cover long perimeters and wide areas. You normally need more cameras of various types. Second, conventional security cameras do not recognize objects, and they need constant human judgment and intervention. In response to these problems and pain points, Hikvision has launched its next-generation PTZ camera, the TandemVu PTZ. Incorporating the big picture and zoom views with one camera, this new addition to Hikvision's product lineup offers unparalleled capability to cover long perimeters and wide areas. Moreover, the TandemVu PTZ is embedded with AI to automatically identify and classify objects that cross the line. Once a person or vehicle is detected at the perimeter, the camera can instantly ward them off with audible and visual alerts.
Warning: this is restrict area.
Hikvision's TandemVu PTZ features great coverage, remarkable agility, and deep learning functions, bringing users a brand new security experience. If you want to learn more about the TandemVu PTZ, please visit hikvision.com. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.